Welcome to another video. This video we're gonna continue on SOLIDWORKS integration, and we're gonna focus on derivatives and getting PDFs out of drawings. So let's deep dive. So we have a couple of sub-assemblies with pre-generated drawings in SOLIDWORKS. So we do have made, and there are drawings available. So we did make those drawings. They are available in SOLIDWORKS, and you can open them using the Open Drawing command. So then we will set up OpenBOM and to generate these files. So we can go into settings, switch from the quick start mode if you are using the quick start mode. So switch to advanced, and you have the options now to choose to generate files. So scroll down and enable send files to cloud storage. Select OpenBOM storage. That's the recommended one since it does support file revisions. You can choose other cloud-based storage if you wish. Enable the options that you want. For example, send parts from steps, send drawings as PDFs. You can choose as any of these options and click Save. Switching to the advanced mode also enables a couple more functions in OpenBOM. We'll deep dive on some of them in later videos. So let's just update and create update bill of material, and this will generate the steps and PDFs from the SOLIDWORKS model. So it's going to take a couple of seconds to go through, and let's see the results. So when it's finished. There we go. It has completed. And now let's see the results. And let's open this on the web browser and see the generated derivatives. So now you can have a complete BOM information to share with the team members. So we have a view to show those derivatives. If you are getting started, you can also switch to no view. And as you can see, we have all our drawings created in here. So look how they are generated. So we have all these drawings created for you, the derivatives all available. Some of the thumbnails might be still reloading, so we can refresh, and it might take a while to upload all that information, so they might still be reloading. And you can actually export all this information to a zip file and have all this information easy shareable format to other team members. So look how easy that is. So this is a quick introduction how to generate derivatives using the SOLIDWORKS integration. Thank you. See you on the next video.